Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your VIVO S1 Prime, at the first you have to move for the Play Store and download CLONEit application. We're going to use this app to transfer all of data, so let's install. On the second smartphone we have to do the same, but I did it, and right now I can open this app, and that's how it looks inside. So let's open on our VIVO S1 Prime, accept all of the permissions. Every time that some notification pops on your screen, you have to click yes or just accept, allow. Right now we have to click sender on the left phone and receiver on our VIVO S1 Prime. Accept. Click on search again. Click on this icon and you can connect in two ways. You can input this password right here, but also you can scan this code. So just go with your favorite way. I will scan code with our camera. It's the fastest way to connect. Accept the request. And right now to select all data, you have to click on these icons and tap start. After that all data will be transferred, but I'm going to show you details on the music because I don't want to wait that 30 minutes to transfer all this stuff. So I will simply select two files, then I'm clicking start, OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So when we enter for the Google files, you will be able to find all the stuff that we sent. In the audio, we can find the two songs that we sent from this Android phone to our VIVO S1 Prime. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.